Hello everybody, this is the Wanderer. I am in the master bathroom again. Anyway, recently I had to relocate this towel rack and wasn't really satisfied with this because this is drywall. So I went ahead and punched the holes there, stuck the anchors in there, screw the brackets in there, and then attach the rack to the brackets. Well, I knew that this was not going to hold up, so it's no surprise because this gets used a lot. There's a lot of stress on here, and I can put my finger behind here already. You can see this. Both of them are loose here, so I'm going to have to redo this. And I don't want to be changing, putting holes in the wall every 6 months or so to redo this. So I'm thinking of an alternative. It's just very simple. I'll just get a wooden board across here, screw that into the studs, and then anchor um, screw the brackets to the board itself, and that should be very sturdy. I've already measured this is 33 inches across, so I'll try to find a wood that's long enough here, and maybe I'll play around with trimming it and decorating it a little bit, and just paint it white and put it up here. So that's another project. Okay, I found this board, and I think this is going to do. It's long enough, thick enough, and it's plain, it's strong enough. Anyway, so my next step is I'm going to go ahead and sand it down, get my belt sander, and then I'll decide what to do. I have some ideas, but I don't know if I'm going to decorate it at all before I paint it. So that's the next step, sanding it down. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and use this soft white paint and give it the first coat. Probably going to put 2 coats on here, but let's get started here. Okay, so I'm here in the bathroom, and I've already finished the backing board, which I'm going to put here. So let me go ahead and remove the rack. Okay. Then see if I can remove the brackets here. Oh, yeah. Next step, I'm going to look for the studs in the wall. Now, one thing I'm going to do differently is in the past I would look for the studs, and then when I found them I would mark it with a pencil, and after I'm finished then I would try to erase the pencil marks, and I was always leave a smudge. So what I'm doing now is I'm using a little Scotch tape. I could use some masking tape too, and I'll just fold a tab at the end, and then basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the tape to mark the edges, so when I'm finished I can just remove the tape easily and not leave a smudge on the wall like I did before. think the wall is flat here because there's a little rise here, but not going to stop me. I put a level up here. Make sure I'm a little bit straight, I hope. Okay, got the brackets screwed in, so let me see if I can finish the rack, line it up. Oh, looks good, looks perfect. Okay, that's solid. Now put an official towel in there. There we go. That looks so much better. Yeah, it turned out all right. Okay, I guess that's it for this project, and thank you for watching.